What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. And today, as you can see by the title, we have an unboxing, my first one in a very long time, and we have three very special models for my BGI airport, which is coming up soon. I'm going to order some more models soon, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this. If you do, be sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel, because that would really help me out a lot. It'll push my videos to other people who may really want to see stuff like this. Enjoy. Alright, so we have three very interesting models. So, number one, we have the DHL Boeing 737-400 freighter. Next, we have the Virgin Atlantic Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. And third, we have the Air Canada Rouge Airbus A321-200 with sharklets. So the order of this unboxing is going to go from what I think is the least interesting to what I think is the most interesting, which means I will save the DHL 737 for last. So let's, without further ado, start off with this. The NG models Air Canada Rouge Airbus A321 with sharklets. So this is a model that I was going to get for BGI and in place of the Airbus A319, which was originally scheduled to come to BGI all throughout May, but it was switched to the 737 MAX. So this will only be included in my fictional Caribbean airport updates, which I will be starting actually very soon. So let's go ahead and start off with the box. So here we have the Air Canada Rouge box. So it's a very nice looking box. You see you have the Airbus A321 titles at the top with the clip art of the beautiful Air Canada Rouge Airbus A321. Over here we have the Air Canada Rouge logo with the registration of the aircraft, which is Charlie Golf Hotel Quebec, India. We have NG models, 1 to 400 scale BLE models, die-cast metal. And then we have just some more clip art of the logo and stuff on the side. And then on the back, we have some more clip art of the aircraft, some warnings, and some contact information for NG models. So, let's go ahead. Sorry about that. So, this is a beautiful box. As you can see, it's in the Air Canada Rouge color scheme. And let's go ahead and let's start unboxing this. So, all three of these models came in one order from Easy Toys, and there should be a JetBlue A321 coming soon. And ooh, look at that. So here, in the box, we have a plastic cover on it, as you can see here, which is very nice to see, which means the model is like well taken care of. So let's go ahead and let's remove this plastic film up here. There we go. Set this aside, remove the top of the plastic, and here we'll reveal the gorgeous Airbus A321. So here, we have the beautiful Air Canada Rouge Airbus A321. So let's start on detail. So over here you have the Star Alliance logo, the L1 door, the Air Canada Rouge titles, and then you have the L2 door with the nice engines with the very interesting nacelles. If it would focus. Yeah, see there are little indentations on them. Then you have the beautiful sharklets. Moving along, you have the nice Wi-Fi bubble, which actually, for some reason, Air Canada Rouge, they don't actually have Wi-Fi, but have a Wi-Fi bubble. Moving along, you have the aircraft's tail, and then you have the registration, which I can't really read out right now, but it says Charlie Golf Hotel, Quebec, India. Being my first A321 with NG, I'm excited to see the JetBlue A321. It has this has rolling landing gear. It also has the antennas on the top, which is a very nice detail to always see on these aircraft. Let's move on to the Virgin Atlantic 787-9. Next up, we have my first ever 787 with GeminiJets or 1 to 400 scale model. Actually, I don't either have the A321 or the 737-400, but here she is, the beautiful Virgin Atlantic Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. So these actually do fly into BGI. They fly from London and then they fly out to San Juan in Puerto Rico, which is actually a very interesting route that is only served by cargo. The London rotation is obviously a passenger service, but going to San Juan is only cargo. So let's start off. So here we have the classic GeminiJets box with the Virgin Atlantic titles, the Boeing 787-9. We have the clip art of the aircraft, the nice GeminiJets logo. We have the 1:400 scale die-cast model aircraft made for collectors by collectors. We have the look inside flap, which has the beautiful aircraft inside and some detailed information about the aircraft itself, the Boeing 787-9. So it looks like this aircraft is Golf Victor Zulu India Golf, which I don't know if it actually has been to Barbados or not, but I do know that the 787 has been. So we have more clip arts, and then we have some legal information on the back. So all in all, the classic GJ box. So I'm very interested to see this one, and I believe this is, let's see, this is a 2020 release, either 2020 or 2021, but this is a very recent release, as is the Air Canada Rouge. So let's go ahead and open this. There we go. Oh man. Okay, so we have the nice protective blue plastic with the white plastic on top, and we can go ahead and lift the firm, and then we can reveal this by taking this off, and wowee, this thing is gorgeous. Let's lift it by the tail, bring it up. Here she is. Here we have the gorgeous Virgin Atlantic 787-9. So let's go ahead and let's start off. So we have the 4 cockpit windows. I don't know what that's called. It's a flying lady who's carrying a Britain flag, but I have no idea what that's called. So then moving on, we have the L1 door, the Virgin Atlantic titles, the Wi-Fi bubble, and an antenna. We have the L2 door, a bunch of the windows, the Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 engines, which actually, if you can see, has very, very good detail on them. I love the detail on the engines there. So moving along, we have the L3 door and L4 door, as well as the registration in the back with the Virgin Atlantic titles and some Wi-Fi bubbles, as well as great wing detail, and also I love these red winglets right here. All in all, the Virgin Atlantic 787-9 is a gorgeous model, and I'm very happy that I have a 787 Dreamliner in my fleet. So I know that I'm going to get a few more from GeminiJets because I need the Thomson/TUI Airways Boeing 787-10s, which come in from other places in the UK. Let's move on to the final and most exciting aircraft of today's unboxing. And finally, last but not least, we have the DHL Boeing 737-400 freighter. So this is my first 737-400 and 737 freighter and first DHL aircraft. Basically everything about all of these is a first. Even this, I believe this is Panda Models that made this aircraft. But yeah, so here we have the beautiful Boeing title, which is in purple with 1:400 scale and a black box. On the side, we have more Boeing stuff and more purple outlines. Then we have the clip art of the aircraft and its registration. So it's DHL November 309 Golf Tango. So this comes in from Port of Spain every day at around 10 and leaves at around 5. So this is actually going to be a very active aircraft in the updates. You will most likely see them every day. And then in the back, you just have the simple Boeing logo and some legal stuff on the back. So now what we can do is, this box is very tight and I don't want to ruin it because it's nice. Let's pull the flap out and oh baby, that looks so good. I'm very excited about this one. So you have the protective plastic once again. You have it saying 1:400, 737-400. And yeah, so let's go ahead and try to lift this. Ooh, this is tough. They really pack it in here good. And there we go. Now let's reveal it by releasing this. And ooh man, that looks amazing. So here we have the beautiful DHL 737-400 freighter. So right here at the nose, we have the beautiful windows. We have the L1 door. We have the cargo door. We have the DHL titles. We have the beautiful engine, the beautiful wings without winglets. And moving down, we actually have the entire cabin, which has windows that are covered up because this is a converted freighter. And moving along, we have the windows, and we also have the registration on the back of the plane, which reads November 309 Golf Tango, and the L3, or actually I think, yeah, that's L2 door, and then the DHL titles on the tail. So this is just a gorgeous model, and I'm super happy to have it in my collection. Thank you so very much for watching today's video. I'm super excited about these models, and the next one, which will be either a JetBlue Airbus A321, which I also ordered from Easy Toys, just like these aircraft, or it will be the American Chrome 737-800, because I couldn't find the regular livery that was actually affordable. Along the lines of that, I will also have an American A321 in the new livery, a BA 222, and a Caribbean 737, and last but not least, in JetBlue A320, and hopefully I'll have an airport update that is a fictional Caribbean airport update, and yeah. Well, thank you very much for watching today's video. If you did like it, be sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day.